ONDS stock analysis, this is the right time to buy. We're going to answer everything around that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. And it's the only persona in this space with 41,000 videos made over 5 years. You know, I've seen what's working for me, what's not, and I'm telling you this not in a way to just bait you, rage bait you. It's just the truth. It's all on my YouTube channel. You can see how much videos I've done. Ultimately, this is pulled back down into my demand zone, which I like a lot. Even if I pull out here, you can see in the Discord I have so many previous receipts. Just two, actually, it's not so many, just two. What I hope to see is a double break confirmation taking place. How's that gonna look like? It's actually quite simple. I'm looking at it like from a 5-minute chart or whatever. And unless I see some sort of a shit like that, there is no way that I'm gonna look to buy. Very simple if you ask me. So this is where we're at. And if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description and get my free emails.